Installing of metal curving board. Install inside corner accessories by using big cap self-tapping nail. Cut 30 cm invisible initial installation accessories. Install invisible initial installation accessories by using big cap self-tapping nail. Install metal curving board for exterior wall. Align the snap position installation. Use the big cap self-tapping nail to fix metal curving board. Measure the position. Cut the extra metal curving board. Then, align the snap. Use the big cap self-tapping nail to fix metal curving board. The rooftop. First of all, use the big cap self-tapping nail to install the inside corner accessories. Use the big cap self-tapping nail in bottom to install embossed and end installation accessories. Use embossed and the end installation accessories to seal. Glued and fixed. Align the groove and install metal curving board. Gauge the position. Process cutting. Fix the embossed and end installation accessories on the top and right. Glue and fixed. Align the groove and install metal curving board. Then, align the inside corner accessories and install the outside corner accessories.